Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression video. With today's device, we are featuring iQOO 12 5G. So for this whole video, I'm going to just call it iQOO 12, simple enough. And this is how the packaging looks like. So it has the iQOO branding and the BMW Motorsports premium partner logo over here. Pretty much straightforward, everything. On top of it, they have a QR code and letting you know what is your model specifications as well. So for this loan review unit, it's actually a 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage. That's only one option variant for the Malaysian market. Now that is out of the box. Let's open it up. So basically you have a sticker over here whereby you can just pull it out and then you are ready to just like take out the whole plastic wrap and so much more. So once you have done that, you can just unbox it. So this device in Malaysia is priced at 3,399 ringgit Malaysia. Yeah, you can go to Vivo stores and go and check them out. So okay, unbox it. All right, and this is the phone itself. So quite lovely. Okay, I'm gonna keep the phone away first. We'll unbox it later on. And you do have your IMEI stickers, everything for warranties. So make sure go and keep them up. Okay, and we have this plastic panel for the phone base. Okay, so if you really see, there is some stripes onto it. That's nice. Cool thing to know about it. And then you are being greeted with this greeting card over here. Amazing, highlighting I think this is the M3 or M4 competition. Okay, and yeah, I kind of like the car itself. It's truly tremendously good. So behind this greeting card over here, you have the SIM card slot ejector pin 2. Okay, so at the back it shows another angle of the BMW racing car as well. Cool, nice to check it out. So what's inside the box? You have a TPU case as well. Nice, good. I don't think a lot of manufacturers are providing TPU case nowadays. And then the most important thing is you get the 120 watt charger adapter. Yeah, including with the Type C to Type C cable over here. Yep, you can see it. Nice. Let me just one more time show you guys up close. The 120 watt fast charging adapter is included as well. AKA Vivo's flash charge 120 watt over here. That is nice. The package here is really complete. So for those who wants to get a smartphone with the whole complete package, this is definitely one of the devices you should be thinking to get one. Okay, so here is the device itself. So over here you actually do have a panel here to say you can open it up like that or whatever way you like it. Okay, I'll just open the wrapper from behind here. Ooh, that sounds nice. Ah, that is nice. Okay, so that's the iQOO 12 5G. Okay, so what I have here is the this is the alpha version. The black color version calls itself as alpha version, and kind of like it, to be honest. Initially wasn't that so. How would I want to explain? I would say doesn't grow onto me. But now that I have the sample loan review unit over here, yeah, it's slowly to grow onto me. But largely, I will have to say because of the during the launch event, it was very dark, very rushing, and we don't really have the time to like properly hold it. And right now, once I hold it, I kind of like it. Yeah, and Yeah, the camera bump, the design is actually called what? Porthole. Yeah, kind of a little bit awkward, but okay, I kind of slowly it grows onto me right now. Okay, so I'm going to fire up, do all the settings on this device first, and I'll come back with the quick impression on the overall of this device after using it like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, stay with me. Okay, so I have done all the setup on this device here, and just play around, play with the cameras quite a while, and here is my quick impression. Starting off with the design, pretty much minimalist, and if you don't love too much curvature on the smartphone, this is the one. Because why? You have a flat display over here, a flat size all around here, great. And the back cover glass here has some just slight curve, which allows you to grip this phone much more comfortably. That's great. And also this back cover here, I kind of love it. There's a surface treatment onto it, and that makes that metallic, silky smooth feel onto it. I like it. And in terms of the camera bump, I'm gonna be staying neutral on the design itself. Some people don't like big camera bumps, some okay. For me, and if you want to make a big camera bump, the camera experience has to be great. Okay, and speaking about the cameras over here, I won't be showing any samples over here, but I'll be uploading to the social medias. So if you want to go and check out the photos themselves, go and follow us on the social medias. The links to the social medias is in the description. Go and check them out. Okay, great. Yeah, so that's the design overall. And for the display, I kind of like it. Quite adequately great for everyday using. Okay, so this is the brightest it can go. So right now I'm trying to go back to automatic brightness, and it just shows great display brightness over here. So the brightness adjustment here is great. I kind of like it. And also one thing I want to highlight on the display, it does comes with a screen protector. Yeah, so again, this device really gives a great value for money for the future customers that wanting to own this device. So highly go and check them out if possible. Okay. Yeah. Performance, I can't say anything much because I didn't really try it out. But during my setup process, it is really quick. For a 2023 smartphone setup, this has to be one of the fastest one, if it's not the first one. That's a great praise I'm giving for this device for its pure performance. Yeah. I think overall that's it for now. I can't talk about the battery. I can't talk about the rest of the remaining things. And yeah, for 3,399 ringgit, my quick impression on this, yeah, I think it's a really value for buy flagship smartphone in 2023, and it's almost Christmas time. And if you're still looking for a smartphone to change, yeah, I think the iQOO 12 definitely something you should be looking on to get for yourself, or perhaps for your families and friends as well. Okay, I think I'm gonna post some of the things, bits of the things about this device as time goes on. So do check out it on the YouTube channel. So in order to check it out, if you're still new to the YouTube channel, hey, please go and subscribe to it, and also hit the notification bell, and you will get alerted when I uploaded a new video content. Okay. Also, last but not least, make sure to go and check out our website, trendground.com, for all the latest news happenings in Malaysia and internationally as well. With that said, I'm Yat Kean for Train Ground. I have to sign off. I need to go and rest. Gonna enjoy this device, trying it out, and I'll see you guys on the social media pages and on the YouTube comments as well. What you want me to check it out, please go and quickly type it out, and then I'll try to arrange some time to test it out for you guys in the full review video, or maybe parts of other contents about this device. Alright, with that, I'm gonna ciao, good night, see you guys on the next video, bye.